Avoiding clichés. Making your writing unique. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of writing style and tone. Ever heard a phrase so many times it starts to lose its meaning? That's probably because it's a cliché or an overused expression. Today, we're learning how to avoid these and make your writing sound fresh and unique. Clichés are phrases or expressions that have been overused to the point where they've lost their originality and impact. They often become filler words or phrases in our speech and writing. For example, at the end of the day, better late than never. Reading between the lines. While these expressions might convey a general idea, they don't add much flavor or specificity to your writing. 1. Loss of meaning. Over time, clichés can lose their original meaning or impact due to overuse. Your readers might gloss over them without fully absorbing their intent. 2. Makes writing predictable. If your writing is full of clichés, it can become predictable and less engaging. 3. Missed opportunities. By relying on clichés, you miss the chance to express your unique voice and perspective. 1. Awareness. First, you have to be aware of the common clichés. Start by making a list or seeking them out in what you read. 2. Ask the question. When proofreading, ask, is there a more specific or unique way I can express this idea? 3. Use analogies and metaphors. Instead of saying, as busy as a bee, you could say, as busy as a chef during dinner rush. This paints a clearer picture and feels fresher. 4. Be authentic. Write how you speak. Your personal voice is less likely to resort to clichés. Cliché. Avoid it like the plague. Replacement. Steer clear of it as if it's hazardous waste. Cliché. Every cloud has a silver lining. Replacement. Even in the worst situations, there can be positive aspects. In conclusion, while clichés can sometimes help convey general ideas, they often make your writing feel stale and predictable. By recognizing and replacing them, you can give your writing a breath of fresh air. Remember, it's about expressing your unique voice and perspective. Happy writing and see you next time.